Prehistoric period in India. What is the prehistoric period? Prehistory is the study of the beginnings and development of human societies prior to the invention of writing systems. It is also called the Stone Age due to the extensive use of stone tools during this period. The term prehistoric period also refers to the Stone Age, when stone was generally used to create objects for the various needs of early humans. Paleolithic Age of Prehistoric Period. Prehistory is the term. Paleolithic refers to the Old Stone Age of the prehistoric period because it derives from the Greek words paleos, which means old, and lithos, which means stone. It belongs to the Pleistocene geological era. Paleolithic Age of Prehistoric Period. Depending on the technology of tools used, economic activities, and other cultural features, the Paleolithic Age can be divided into Lower Paleolithic, Middle Paleolithic, Upper Paleolithic. Lower Paleolithic Age in India. The earliest use of stone was started in the Lower Paleolithic Age by Homo habilis and Homo erectus. People of this age were nomadic and dependent only on hunting and food gatherings. The stones were used as chopping tools like hand axes, clavers, knives, and choppers made from large pebbles or flakes. Two main traditions, Soanian tradition and the Acheulean prehistoric period tradition. Important sites. Singha Talav in Rajasthan. Bhimbetka and Admagad in Madhya Pradesh. Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh. Paisra, Bihar. Chirkinevasa, Maharashtra. Hansagi and Yedyapur in Karnataka. Attirampakkam, Tamil Nadu. Middle Paleolithic Age in India. This age witnessed a variety of tools made on flakes by specialized techniques, therefore referred to as the flake tool industry. Middle Paleolithic culture in India is called Nevasian, similar to Mousterian, as flake tools were found at Pravar, Nevasa. Tools. Small and medium-sized hand axes, clavers, scrapers, borers, knives, large borers and awls, a variety of scrapers, anvils and hammers. Sites. Didwana and Buddha Pushkar in Rajasthan. Hiran Valley in Gujarat. Potwar Plateau between the Indus and Jhelum rivers. Upper Paleolithic Age in India. Along with flake and core tools, the Upper Paleolithic industries produced side scrapers, ovate scrapers, notched scrapers, discoid scrapers, and unifacial and bifacial flake points. Tools. Blades and burins, bone tools and specialized hunting tools. Sites. Rohiri Hills in Sindh. Topani Mando in Balan Valley, Baga, in Madhya Pradesh. Paisra in Bihar. Howrah and Khowai valleys in Tripura. Kurnool and Muchitla Chintamnu Gavi in Andhra Pradesh.